Hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video, we are just discussing about the concept of operator. In the operator, first we are clearing the concept of OR operator and the OR operator. Logical operator. In the logical operator, we have two types: OR and AND. In the AND operator, we are discussing some examples. In the OR also, we are discussing some examples. In this video, we are just starting with arithmetic operator. So we are just heading with ART. So we are heading this. After we are starting with the plus operator. So what is to be the plus operator? So plus operator basically add the two values or some different n number of values with the help of plus operator. So basically plus is to be the operator and the values in the form of operand. So for plus operator it is used to addition of the operands with the help of plus operator. So we are mark down this particular plus operator. We are taking example like first I am just showing you the concept of plus operator. So 3 plus 4 is to be 7. So in this line of code you get answer 7 because we are passing two operands 3 and 4 with plus operator, so they will give you the addition of these two numbers. So the plus operator is to be doing this. If you want to write this in this form like the addition of 4 and 5 is equal to like something value is like 3, we are passing 3 plus 4 plus 5, we are writing 4 and 5, so they will give you the addition of 4 and 5 is to be 9. The another type of writing this code particular, so we are creating operand a. In the operand a we are just declaring values to be 10 with the help of equal. So in the a we have 10, in the b we have 20. So we are using these two values in all the operators like minus operator or some multiplication operator or division operator. So we are changing with is to be 20 and this is to be our 10. So a and b stored the value of we have 20 or 10. So after this we are just writing like print a plus b is equal to, we are passing like a plus b, so they will give you a plus b is equal to 30. So we are also using the operator plus with this concept. So if you want to different type of code, so you use this same plus operator for adding these two values. You can change the format of code or the styling of code or the logic of code. So according to your use, you can use plus operator for adding of numbers. So after this we are just going to the minus operator. In the minus operator case this is same. In the minus operator we are just subtracting two operand with each others, like we are subtracting a with 2, so we are 20 minus 2 10 is to be answer 10. Like take example print 20 20 minus 10 is to be 10, or with the help of the operator or variable, so we are writing print a minus b is equal to, like we are passing like a minus b is to be 10. So we are getting 10 because we are 20 minus 10 is to be 20 minus 10 is to be 10. So this is working same as in the mathematical we are using in the KG1 KG2 classes, the plus operator for adding two values. So after this we are just going to or discussing to the multiplication operator. So we are just mark down this particular instruction. After this we are writing like print 10 multiplied by 20, so we are getting 200. This is also right in the form of like this, like a multiply b is equal to, we are passing a with multiplication of b, so we have 200. So divide operator, so we are also using like this. So print is to be 30 divided by 9. We have point values we are giving in the form of each and every point. So they will not give you the particular 3 or not getting these values. So our Python divide function is to be getting in the point values. If you want to use this in the variables, like we are passing a divided by v is to be 2.0, we are getting in the float format of data of division. If you want to finding the remainder of the particular data, so like we are passing print like 30 divided by so we are using this modulo function, and with the 28, so you get true 2, because we are dividing 30 with 28. So our 20 is to be whole divided by 30, but 2 is to be remainder. So they will give you the remainder is to be 2. If you want to find the quotient of the particular division, so like we are taking example print, we have quotient like 30 is how much time divided by 28, so we are passing this, so we are getting one value here because we are dividing 28 with 30 is to be one time. If you want to check for different examples, so I will give you like 40 is to how much time divided by 5, so they will give you 8 because 40 is divided by 5 is to be 8 times. So this is the concept of arithmetic operator, like the plus operator, minus operator, multiplication operator, division operator, find remainder operation, modulo with the help of modulo, and the quotient. So thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So stay tuned with next videos. So thank you. Bye bye.